Welcome back to Car Savvy. Today we're taking out one of the main things that you always have to take out of the car. That's the air box. We'll be replacing the tank purge valve, which is located right underneath here. The car threw a code for that. It keeps coming up. Super quick and easy thing to replace. A lot of people try to leave the MAF on and are super careful with this, but mine is replaced and not cracked. Give you guys a better look. You can kind of already see it. It's right here. It has an electrical connection. So right here, tank vent valve, tank purge valve, whatever you want to call it. I can leave the part number in the description in case you need to change it, but very easy to remove. So basically, this is a pinch connector. You pinch it and it comes right back out. Next, underneath, you have a hose. Careful, if your car's hot, just be careful when you're doing this. So let's see if it, right there. So this, we're gonna have to pinch on the sides. It's easier with your right hand, and it should come right out. Careful not to pull it out. Let me put you guys back here. And then at the front, so just twist, move it back and forth while you're pulling back out. Be careful not to pull this hose out. It goes on the intake and it'll be impossible to put back on. So there's also a hanger. So there's also a hanger here that it hangs on. It's a clip underneath there. So just pull it back out. New one going in, super simple. Where did this hose go? All the way underneath. So you'll hear it click once it goes in. If it wants to go in, but just be gentle with it, as with all hoses. There we go. It's clicked in. I'm going to push this on the hanger. And remember to plug it back in. Back in with the air box. Careful. Probably the easiest repair you've done. Get rid of a pesky check engine light.